Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send an invoice with Freshbooks. The first thing you want to do once on your Freshbooks dashboard, you can go over to the left-hand column and you could select Invoices. After selecting Invoices, from here you could create a new invoice. So you can tap on New Invoice right there. Once you have done that, you can add your logo. So I'll just be adding a random picture for example sake. So I'm just going to add this random pic. After you have done that, you can check out your business details. If it is not correct, you can tap on Edit Business Information. Then you can select the client that you'd like to bill. If you haven't created a client as yet, you can tap on Create a Client right there and you could create a new client. After you have created the client, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Add Amount that is due. So to add the amount that is due, you're going to go down here where you see Enter a Line Name. And you can select the different service. So I have different services right here. So I added thumbnail and I also added web design. I'll be showing you how to add a service real quick. So to add a service, I could go back. So let me tap on cancel right here. To add a service, all we did was go over to the left hand menu option and select projects. After selecting projects, you can tap on create new in the top right hand column. And you can choose to either create a flat rate project or an hourly project. So you can select whichever one of these options. So if flat rate, meaning that for instance you like to charge $50 to create a thumbnail. Hourly project meaning you will be able to charge, let's say you spend 2 hours on the project and you charge $20 per hour, you'll get $40. So you can select whichever one of these options and you could create a project. Now let's go back into Invoice. So we're going to tap on Create New once more. I'm going to be adding the logo. So I'll add a random pic. Then again, I'm going to select a client. Then we're going to add the amount right here. So we'll tap on Add Line and I'm going to be selecting thumbnail. After doing that, from there you can add in the price. So you could add in the rate right there. So let's say for instance $100. So I could add that in right here. And you can see right there I could add another line. I could also scroll down and I could add notes. I could add terms and condition, and you can also add an attachment at the bottom right there. And if it is a case that you would like to accept payments online, you could tap on Accept Online Payments. So you can accept online payments right there. And another thing that you can also do, so we could tap on Save. After doing that, you can further edit it. So I want you to further edit it. So we're going to select it once more and we're going to tap on Edit. You can customize the invoice style. You can also scroll down and you could set reminders. So you can send reminders right there. You can also charge late fees. You can change the currency. There are numerous editing options that you have. Now to send the invoice, you'll tap on Send to in the top right hand column. From here, you can type to add contact, so you could add the contact information. Then you'll tap on Send Invoice. Or you could choose to share it via link by tapping on Share via link. Then you'll tap on Got It, mark as Send. Once you have done that, you can copy the link and you could share it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.